If you've been trying to log into the MKU Visual Learning Management System VLMS but it is not working, maybe your fees have already been paid but your portal still says you have no access. Don't panic. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I solved my own VLMS problem using 3 simple steps. This is a real experience, not theory, so make sure you watch until the end because one small step can make all the difference. Part 1. The problem. A few days ago I paid my university fees through M-Pesa. The payment was successful, but when I tried to access the VLMS, I could not. I refreshed the portal many times, log out and log in again, but nothing changed. At first, I thought the system was broken. Then I realized I needed to contact the MKU University through the right channels. Step 2. Contact MKU via Facebook. The first thing I did was to visit the MKU official Facebook page. I sent them a direct message explaining my problem. I included my admission number, my full name, a screenshot of the error, my M-Pesa transaction confirmation. They replied and advised me on what to do next. This was helpful because I knew my message had reached the university. The next step was emailing the MKU finance office. In the email, I clearly explained that I had already paid my fees, the payment date and amount, my admission number, the M-Pesa transaction code. I also attached the payment confirmation screenshot. This gives the finance team all the information they needed to verify my payment. Step 4. Call the finance office. After sending the email, I didn't just wait. I called the finance office directly. The staff confirmed they had received my payment details. They checked my account and processed the issue. After a short while, my fees reflected correctly and my VLMS access was restored. Sometimes a phone call helps speed up the process because they can check your account immediately. Important tips: keep your M-Pesa confirmation message. Take a screenshot of any errors. Include your admission number in every message or email. Be polite when communicating with the university staff. If the issue is not resolved after emailing, call the finance office for follow-up. So that's exactly how I solved my MKU VLMS problem. The 3 steps were simple. 1. Contact the official MKU Facebook page. 2. Email the finance office with all your payment details. 3. Call the finance office to follow up. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. If you are still experiencing the same issue, leave the comment below and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.